Welcome back, Travexilers. Today, we're stepping outside the galleries of the Grand Egyptian Museum and into one of its most peaceful and overlooked treasures, the Gem Garden. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate your support. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming Egypt travel guides and pyramid walking tours. Your subscription is the best way to help me keep creating these Egypt itineraries and storytelling videos for you. This outdoor space is designed as a green oasis right beside the largest archaeological museum in the world. Inspired by ancient Egyptian landscapes, the garden blends shaded walkways, palm trees, open terraces, and beautifully curated plantings, all arranged to echo the flow of the Nile. One of the highlights here is the sculpture garden, where massive statues and historic pieces are displayed outdoors in natural sunlight. It's a completely different experience from seeing artifacts indoors. You get scale, shadow, and atmosphere that photography can't capture inside. Visitors often use the Gem Garden as a place to pause, reset, and take in the views. And yes, from several spots you can even glimpse the pyramids rising in the distance. It's a perfect spot for photos, short breaks, or just enjoying the calm before continuing your museum journey. So next time you visit Gem, don't rush past the entrance. Make sure to wander the garden. It's one of the most relaxing places on the entire Giza plateau, and an experience many visitors don't even know exists. Let me know in the comments. Would you spend time relaxing here in the gem garden or head straight inside the museum? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and I'll see you on the next adventure.